Welcome back to the English Learner Podcast, everyone. I'm Anna, and I'm here with Tom, and today we're going to talk about a very special day that many people around the world look forward to every year, and that day is Christmas Day.
Hi everyone, I'm Tom, and I really like this topic, Anna, because Christmas Day always brings a warm feeling, even before the day actually arrives.
That's true, Tom, because the feeling of Christmas Day usually starts days or even weeks before, when people begin decorating their homes, hanging lights, setting up trees, and playing Christmas music in the background.
Yes, and you can really feel the atmosphere change, Anna. Shops look brighter, streets feel more colorful, and people seem a little calmer and more patient as Christmas Day gets closer.
I agree. And when Christmas Day finally comes, the morning feels very different, almost magical, like the air is quieter but full of excitement at the same time.
Exactly, Anna. Many people wake up earlier than usual on Christmas Day, especially children, because they feel excited, curious, and full of energy.
And the morning is often filled with small but meaningful activities, Tom, like checking the Christmas tree, touching the ornaments, opening the curtains to let the light in, and hearing sounds from the kitchen.
Yes, the kitchen usually becomes the heart of the house, Anna, with someone already preparing food, boiling water, baking, or setting out ingredients for later.
And for many families, opening presents is an important part of Christmas morning. Sitting together on the floor or sofa, taking turns, watching each other's reactions, and enjoying the moment slowly.
I really like that part, Anna, because it's not just about what's inside the gift, but about sharing smiles, laughter, and surprise with the people around you.
After that, people often start preparing for the rest of the day, Tom, cleaning the house a little, arranging decorations, setting the table, and making sure everything feels welcoming.
Yes, and cooking is a big activity on Christmas Day, because families often prepare special dishes that they don't usually cook on normal days, so the food feels more meaningful.
And cooking together makes it even more special, Tom, because people talk, joke, share memories, and sometimes even argue a little, but in a warm and friendly way.
That's very true, Anna. And while cooking is happening, some people like to take photos, send messages, or make phone calls to wish Merry Christmas to friends and relatives who live far away.
I really like that part, Tom, because Christmas Day helps people reconnect, even if they cannot be in the same place.
Some families also use the morning or late morning to decorate more, adjusting lights, fixing ornaments on the tree, lighting candles, and making the house feel warm and cozy.
And others prefer quieter activities, like sitting together with a cup of tea or coffee, talking about plans for the afternoon, or simply enjoying the peaceful feeling of the day.
And for children, Christmas Day often means playing with new toys, drawing pictures, building things, running around the house, and filling every room with energy and laughter.
Seeing that happiness really makes the day feel alive, Tom, and it often brings back childhood memories for adults, too.
And as the morning slowly turns into late morning and early afternoon, the house usually feels fuller, warmer, and more relaxed, with everyone settling into the rhythm of Christmas Day.
Yes, and you can feel that the day is only just beginning, with many moments still waiting to happen as Christmas Day continues.
And as the afternoon continues, Anna, Christmas Day really comes alive in a special way because everyone starts settling into the rhythm of the day, enjoying each other's company without hurrying anywhere.
That's so true, Tom. And one of my favorite parts is when families take a moment just to look around the house, noticing the lights on the tree, the little decorations on shelves, and the small details that make the day feel magical.
Yes, Anna, and many people use this time to start small activities together, like playing board games, card games, or even simple guessing games that get everyone laughing.
Children especially love that, Tom, because they can show off new toys, play freely, and include adults in their games, making the house feel full of energy and joy.
And while the kids are playing, adults sometimes take a moment for themselves, Anna, like sitting with a cup of hot chocolate, reading a short story, or listening to soft Christmas music.
Some families also enjoy doing crafts in the afternoon, Tom, like decorating cookies, making simple ornaments, or writing Christmas cards, and everyone joins in, even if they're not very artistic.
Yes, Anna, and I love how those small activities create laughter and memories, because it's not about perfection, it's about sharing the moment together.
And of course, some people like to go outside in the afternoon, Tom, taking walks around the neighborhood to look at lights, decorations, or just feel the fresh air and quiet calm of the season.
Others might visit relatives or friends, Anna, bringing small gifts, chatting, enjoying snacks, and laughing together, which makes the day feel more connected and social.
And after returning home, many families begin preparing the main Christmas meal, Tom, setting the table carefully, arranging glasses, plates, napkins, and sometimes small decorations or candles.
And during that time, Anna, people often talk about the year that is ending, sharing funny stories, recalling past Christmases, or planning small things for the next day.
Children sometimes help too, Tom, carrying small items, setting napkins, or just watching carefully, feeling included and proud.
And while food is being prepared, some people like to start small activities to pass the time, Anna, like watching a short Christmas movie, listening to music, or even playing a small game in the living room.
Yes, and some families enjoy reading short stories together, or children reading aloud to adults, which creates a warm and cozy feeling in the house.
And as the meal gets closer, Anna, there's often a quiet excitement in the air, with everyone gathering in the kitchen or near the table, chatting, laughing, and enjoying the smells of food cooking.
And once the meal is ready, Tom, people slowly take their seats, adjusting chairs, pouring drinks, and sharing small compliments about the food or decorations.
I love that moment, Anna, because it feels like everyone is connected even before the first bite is taken.
And during the meal, people talk about simple things like favorite foods, funny moments from earlier in the day, or even small family jokes, which makes the meal feel long and joyful.
And after eating, Anna, some families like to stay at the table for a while, talking, laughing, or even planning small evening activities together.
Others might move to the living room, Tom, to play games, look at photos, or share stories from past Christmases, which often brings smiles and laughter.
And some families enjoy music in the background, Anna, singing softly along to Christmas songs, dancing a little, or even trying to play simple instruments together.
Children often run around with excitement, showing their new toys, playing pretend, or including adults in their games, making the house feel full of energy and joy.
And in the late afternoon, Anna, people might take a short walk outside, visit neighbors, or simply enjoy the quiet and decorated streets before the evening begins.
And some families use this time to do small acts of kindness, Tom, like sending messages, calling friends or relatives, or giving a small gift to someone who might need a smile.
Then, as evening approaches, Anna, many families prepare desserts together, like cakes, pies, cookies, or chocolate treats, tasting as they go and laughing at small mistakes.
And while the desserts are being prepared, people might sit and share reflections, Tom, thinking about the year that passed, talking about hopes for the next year, or sharing small personal stories.
Some families enjoy watching a long Christmas movie together in the evening, Anna, while others might do a combination of reading, chatting, and playing small indoor games.
And as the night grows, Tom, children often get ready for bed in their pajamas, maybe reading a small story or showing their favorite gifts, while adults continue relaxing, drinking something warm, and enjoying the calm moment.
And even in the evening, Anna, some families take short walks outside, look at the stars, or enjoy the quiet neighborhood decorated with lights.
Yes, Tom, and all these small activities, from walks to games, meals, crafts, music, and conversation, really make Christmas Day feel full, meaningful, and joyful.
Exactly, Anna, because Christmas Day is about combining many small moments, enjoying people around us, creating memories, and feeling a warm, happy atmosphere throughout the day.
And Tom, as the evening settles in, Christmas Day often feels the most peaceful because everyone starts slowing down and enjoying quiet moments together, even after a busy day of activities.
That's true, Anna. And many families use this time to sit together, maybe on the sofa with blankets, talking about their favorite moments from the day, laughing at small mistakes, or just enjoying the calm.
Yes, Tom. And some families like to share stories from past Christmases, telling children about their own experiences or funny memories that make everyone smile.
And children often love listening to those stories, Anna, asking questions, imagining the past, and sometimes even acting out little scenes, which keeps the evening lively in a gentle way.
Some families also use the late evening to do small creative activities, Tom, like drawing pictures inspired by Christmas, making paper decorations, or writing short notes of gratitude.
And music usually plays softly, Anna, helping people feel relaxed, maybe even singing along quietly, or tapping their feet to a favorite Christmas song.
And if the weather is nice, Tom, some families enjoy a short walk outside again, maybe to see the neighborhood lights, wave at neighbors, or just breathe the cool night air.
Others stay inside, Anna, playing small games, telling jokes, or enjoying a warm dessert together, like cookies or hot chocolate with marshmallows.
And some families like to take photos in the evening, Tom, capturing moments with everyone together, making sure they remember the smiles and laughter of Christmas Day.
And even small chores can feel enjoyable, Anna, like cleaning up together after dinner, putting away toys, or organizing leftover treats, because it's done with family and fun.
Some people also take a few quiet moments to reflect, Tom, thinking about the year that is ending, what they are thankful for, and hopes for the next year, which makes the day feel more meaningful.
And it's interesting, Anna, how small traditions, like reading a story before bed, lighting a small candle, or listening to one last song, can make Christmas Day feel complete and calm.
And children often get ready for bed with excitement, Tom, sometimes sharing what they liked most about the day, what they hope to do tomorrow, or showing their favorite gifts.
And adults might continue relaxing in the living room, talking quietly, drinking something warm, or just watching the night sky through the window, reflecting on a full and happy day.
And some families like to prepare small snacks for the next morning, Tom, like leaving cookies for Santa or just setting up small surprises to continue the joy of Christmas Day.
And the evening is also a time for small gestures of care, Anna, like helping someone with a blanket, sharing a warm drink, or simply sitting close and enjoying a quiet conversation.
And even little moments, Tom, like looking at the lights on the tree, listening to soft music, or hearing the gentle laughter of children, make Christmas Day feel magical and special.
Yes, Anna, and the combination of all these activities, the meals, games, walks, crafts, conversations, music, laughter, and reflection, makes the day complete, meaningful, and memorable.
Exactly, Tom. And that's why Christmas Day feels so long and full, because it's not just about one activity, but the way every small moment adds up to create happiness and connection.
And even as the night grows deeper, Anna, the warm feeling of the day stays with everyone, making it easier to sleep with content hearts and happy memories.
Yes, Tom, and those memories often last for years, reminding us of family, kindness, joy, and the little things that made the day special, which is the true magic of Christmas Day.
And even as the evening turns into night, Anna, I think one of the most beautiful things about Christmas Day is how everyone starts slowing down but still feels full of happiness, like the day lingers in your heart.
Yes, Tom, and that's the magic, because it's not just the presents or decorations, it's the little moments, like seeing someone smile, hearing laughter, or sharing a simple story around the table.
And many families take this time to relax together, Anna, sitting on the couch with blankets, maybe sipping hot chocolate, sharing quiet conversations, or just enjoying the atmosphere.
I love that part, Tom, especially when children are winding down, reading a bedtime story, showing their favorite gift one more time, or talking about what they liked best about the day.
And adults often join in, Anna, telling small anecdotes from their own childhood, making everyone laugh, or sharing memories that feel comforting and warm.
Some families even play soft music in the background, Tom, and everyone sings quietly along, taps their feet, or just listens, which makes the evening feel calm and magical.
And in some homes, Anna, there's a little tradition of taking a short walk outside, looking at the stars or the quiet neighborhood lights, reflecting on the day, and feeling grateful for the time spent together.
And others stay inside, Tom, enjoying late-night snacks like cookies, small cakes, or chocolate, laughing at little spills or crumbs, and sharing stories while cleaning up together.
And even small chores on Christmas night feel special, Anna, like folding napkins, arranging leftover gifts, or putting the kitchen in order, because everyone is working together and enjoying the moment.
Yes, and some families write short notes of thanks or gratitude, Tom, leaving little messages for each other to read the next morning, which adds a gentle, thoughtful touch to the day.
And some people use the late evening to reflect quietly, Anna, thinking about what they are thankful for, the people they love, and the memories they hope to create next year.
And children often tuck themselves in with stories or soft music, Tom, sharing whispers about their favorite parts of Christmas Day, imagining fun plans for the next morning, or talking about dreams they hope will come true.
And adults, Anna, often sit a little longer, enjoying the calm, finishing warm drinks, looking at the lights on the tree, or simply listening to the quiet of the house after a long, joyful day.
Some families enjoy telling gentle bedtime stories to the younger children, Tom, stories about kindness, magic, or Christmas traditions, which leaves everyone with a soft, happy feeling before sleep.
And even small gestures, Anna, like helping a child get comfortable, sharing a blanket, or offering a warm smile, make Christmas night feel full of love and connection.
And as the night deepens, Tom, there's often a reflective calm, thinking about the year behind us, the joys we've had, the lessons we've learned, and the people we want to spend time with in the future.
Yes, Anna, and that reflection is part of what makes Christmas Day so special, because it combines laughter, activity, and joy with moments of quiet gratitude and connection.
And it reminds us, Tom, that Christmas is not just one day. It's a feeling we can carry with us, and simple acts of kindness, attention to loved ones, and small moments of joy that happen every day.
And that's why, Anna, even as everyone finally goes to sleep, the warmth of the day stays with the family, leaving hearts full, minds calm, and memories that will last for years.
Yes, Tom, and when the morning comes again, everyone will wake up feeling the gentle magic of Christmas lingering in the air, ready to start new moments, share small joys, and continue the happiness from yesterday.
So, listeners, whether you celebrated Christmas today or simply enjoyed the idea of it, I hope you take a little of that warmth, joy, and togetherness with you in your daily life, because it doesn't have to end with one day.
Exactly, Tom. And don't forget that every small act, helping a friend, sending a kind message, sharing a smile, or spending time with someone can keep the spirit of Christmas alive all year.
Thank you all for listening. Enjoy your holidays, keep your hearts warm, and remember that even small moments can bring big happiness.
And don't forget to subscribe to the English Learner podcast so you can continue learning English with us through natural, fun conversations and enjoy more stories, reflections, and practical examples in the next episodes.
Merry Christmas, everyone. Enjoy your day, your night, and the memories you make, because Christmas is really about love, connection, and joy that stays in your heart.
Merry Christmas. May your days be filled with happiness, laughter, and magical moments that make life truly special.